subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 awesome, very easy to make Rakhi design by using few ribbons and few pearls. So let's get started with the video. These are very easy designs and will take you less than 10 minutes to make 3 Rakhis. So let's start with this one. This is a very elegant, very cute sort of Rakhi, and what you need to do here is from a foam sheet or from a random piece of paper which is red in color, you can cut out a circle like I am doing here. This is going to form the base, and on top of the base, in the center I am attaching few pink pearls. I have double layered it so that the height is equivalent to that of the pearls which I am attaching on the side. Now I am taking a pink ribbon, and on top of it I have attached this centerpiece that I created. And this is how the first Rakhi got completed, and it looks phenomenal, and it's just going to take 5 minutes to make. Now let's move on to the other one. It's quite similar to the first one. You need to cut a square piece, and then I am attaching pearls in the layers of 4 each, and it's like a 4x4 metric sort of thing. And then I have attached the centerpiece on a red ribbon. And this is the third design, quite similar to the first one. It's circular in shape. All the differences: in the center I have taken a green stud, and on the sides I am attaching pink studs and then attaching the overall centerpiece to a pink ribbon. And that's how you create 3 beautiful, very simple, elegant Rakhi in 10 minutes. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, as I'll be making similar videos on Rakhi, and as Rakhi is coming near, I want you guys to be updated about the latest designs. So do subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!